The fourth generation Kia Sorento large SUV has finally arrived down under, bringing with it an all-new platform and new levels of comfort, convenience and safety technology. The Sorrento's new design is noticeably more sculpted than the current model, with fresh geometric details and more swept-back elongated proportions. As well as introducing a handsome design to the family, the new Sorento is the first Kia to be built on the Korean car maker's new SUV platform that brings a host of technological advancements to match the smoldering looks. It also offers more space than its predecessor, along with a host of new driver assistance systems, revised and updated information and entertainment tech, making it the most high-tech vehicle Kia has ever created. Kia says the three-row SUV also has one of the highest quality interior spaces found in any of its models to date, with the intuitive, tech-oriented cabin featuring a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system in all but the entry-level Sorento S and a new 12.3-inch high-resolution digital instrument cluster in the GT line. Material quality is enhanced with a cabin that blends metallic trim and embossed satin effect surfaces. Various spec grades feature black cloth, leather appointed black cloth or black quilted Napa leather. The 2021 Kia Sorento is 10mm wider and has a 35mm longer wheelbase than the previous model, resulting in more cabin room. Second row seats are able to slide 45mm further, creating more leg room and a wider point of entry to the third row. Priced from $45,580, it will again be available in 4 spec grades: S, Sport, Sport Plus and GT line. Each grade comes with a choice of two powertrains, the 3.5-liter V6 petrol with front-wheel drive and the new lighter 2.2-liter 4-cylinder diesel with all-wheel drive. The Kia Sorento range will also gain hybrid and plug-in hybrids linked to a 1.6-liter petrol turbo engine in early 2021.